As per our ongoing Bitgert cost expectation, the worth of Bitgert will expanded by 213.69%, coming to $0 end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the exceptionally current opinion is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness record is perusing 16.79, and that implies exceptionally intense apprehension, which is very critical. Our Bitgert gauge. It's dangerous to sell Bitgert at this moment. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a kind of broad negative feeling among Bitgert cost forecasts. See the specific Bitgert cost expectation underneath. You will know the amount Bitgert explicitly is worth in the next few long stretches of time, which is very critical. Throughout the course of recent days, Bitgert has diminished by 8.87% in an unpretentious manner. Because of this, we can essentially get, with the exception of a kind of slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of spring. The worth of Bitgert expanded by 111.46% and came to approach around $0 in unpretentious manner. Presently, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and avarice list shows 16.79 intense feelings of trepidation. As per our estimate, this for the most part isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Bitgert incredibly. As of now, Bitgert essentially is exchanging underneath the 200 certainly straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA certainly has shown a Bitgert selling fundamentally signal. The cost of Bitgert in a real sense is presently running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will essentially hit $0 the finish of December, which especially is very critical. By December 2023-2024, Bitgert's especially transient 50-day SMA shows a $0. The overall strength list force oscillator especially is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency is oversold or overbought in an unobtrusive way. RSI is Bitgert value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitgert came to $0. It by and large dipped under $0 since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, Bitgert is en route to passing the $0 before the current year's over. Before $0, it might break its characteristic of $0 sort of reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitgert will break its past all-time high of $0, most certainly hold somewhere in the range of $0 amazingly. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Bitgert is exchanging at $0, and its 24-hour exchanging volume by and large is around 513 M, and it makes number 167 money in the entire crypto world. Bitgert value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Bitgert can get through the $0 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is very huge. The least Bitgert cost will be between $0, and the most certainly possible Bitgert cost will be in every practical sense consistent at around $0 the finish of 2024. Despite Bitgert's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure in every practical sense, entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Bitgert will reach $0 the finish of 2024 or fundamentally mid-2024. Bitgert value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Brise will begin the year at $0 exchange around $0. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This sort of is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Bitgert value expectation 2026. There fundamentally is a decent opportunity that Bitgert 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it in every practical sense is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal by and large most extreme $0 in a significant manner. Bitgert is certainly anticipated to basically arrive at an untouched high of $0 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of Bitgert, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value expectation 2027. Bitgert value forecast, or Brise, will encounter gigantic development in 2027 as it has the truly potential to accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitgert's cost is supposed to outperform $0 2027. It has been anticipated that Bitgert will arrive at the in every practical sense most extreme cost of $0. The base cost is supposed to be around $0 the especially next a long time from 2027. In an unobtrusive manner, Bitgert figure 2028 market examiners and specialists anticipate say that Bitgert value expectation and specialized examination. Bitgert in a real sense is supposed to generally cross a value level of $0 2028. In the meantime, Bitgert explicitly is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least cost of $0 a year in an unpretentious manner. The greatest cost might reach $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Bitgert Value Forecast and Specialized Examination anticipate that the expense of Bitgert will really reach $0, and the cost of Brise ought to for the most part reach $0 the year's over. What's more, Brise can generally reach up to $0 value, which is genuinely huge. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring critical years for Bitgert development, which is very huge. Brise Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030. Bitgert Value Expectation are supposed to cross the $0 cost level, as indicated by Bitgert Estimate and Specialized Examination, toward the finish of 2030. Bitgert's kind of least cost is supposed to in a real sense be $0. Furthermore, Brise can arrive at a greatest value level of $0, which for the most part is very critical. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitgert will have a typical cost of $0. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. In an unpretentious manner, Bitgert Value Forecast 2031 Bitgert cost is assessed to basically reach $0 2031, at least, as opposed to mainstream thinking. With a typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2031, Bitgert's worth could come to $0 its most elevated, which is genuinely critical. The experts in a real sense anticipate that the most extreme cost should basically be exchanging around $0. Bitgert Estimate 2032 of every 2032, Bitgert will attempt to arrive at the least degree of $0. It might attempt to essentially get the truly most extreme and truly next top level of $0, the typical conjecture cost of $0. It might by and large break the past beautiful high and proceed to its next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we foresee it will essentially arrive at its next level. However, it might dump too. What will in every practical sense be in a real sense the most minimal cost of Bitgert in future? Up to $0. What will be the most exorbitant cost of Bitgert in future, which is genuinely critical? Up to $0 will Bitgert cost expansion in future, which is genuinely critical. Indeed, Bitgert cost will build as per our anticipated information in future amazingly. Interest in Bitgert especially is productive or misfortune making. Indeed, Bitgert is productive venture in view of our determining, which is very critical, whether the cost of Bitgert will be descending in future. No, Bitgert cost won't essentially be descending in view of our assessed forecast. In 1 year from now, what will one Bitgert basically be worth, which in a real sense is very huge. The cost of one Bitgert can generally especially be up to $0 in 1 year's time, a 2x almost from the ongoing Brise value, as opposed to mainstream thinking, where explicitly do I generally purchase Bitgert amazingly. There are genuinely many spots to buy and large purchase and trade Bitgert. We show them generally here. What will be the cost of Bitgert following 1 year, or so they for the most part thought? Up to $0. What will be the cost of Bitgert following 3 years? Up to $0.